Everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the calendar view in Proton Calendar step by step. Switching between different calendar views makes it easier to plan your schedule, whether you're organizing daily tasks, weekly meetings, or monthly events. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your computer, Android device, or iPhone, and sign in with your Proton account. Wait for your calendar to load so you can see your upcoming events. Next, locate the View selector near the top of the calendar. Depending on your device and the version of Proton Calendar you're using, you may see options such as Day, Week, Month, or Agenda View. Now, click or tap the view you want to use. Day View is ideal for focusing on a single day's schedule. Week View helps you manage appointments across the week. Month View provides a broader overview of upcoming events, and Agenda View, if available, displays your events in a simple chronological list. After selecting a new view, Proton Calendar will immediately update the layout without changing any of your events or reminders. You can switch between views at any time to find the format that works best for your planning style. If you're using Proton Calendar on different devices, keep in mind that the available views and layout may vary slightly between the web version and the mobile app. Updating the app to the latest version can help ensure you have access to the newest viewing options, and that's it. You now know how to change the calendar view in Proton Calendar and choose the layout that makes managing your schedule easier. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next